In this video, I want to show you how you can add the Jotform to your Wix website. Now this is pretty simple. There are two ways to do this. Now the first one is finding your site and press design, which will open up the editor. Then what you can do from here is click on add elements. Inside of here, you can embed code, enter the code in here that you have from your Jotform website. When you log in, you can log in and select you want the Wix code and you'll be able to put it in here. Now the second option is simply going to the apps, come in here and search for Jotform, press enter, and there should be one called embed, this one, or there's others as well. Simply download these and you'll be able to do it from in there. Now that's basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.